Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. A paper trending on X, which was published just 6 days ago on May 14, 2026, tackles a major blind spot in how AI models generate images. The researchers argued that our standard quality metric, the Frechet inception distance, often hides severe mode collapse by ignoring sample diversity. To solve this, they introduce a recursive system that slashes the Frechet inception distance on CIFAR 10 by 30%. This paper is titled "One Pass is Not Enough: Recursive Latent Refinement for Generative Models." As we will see, the recursive design allows us to dynamically trade off speed for image quality at runtime with no extra training. Figure 1 illustrates this difference visually by comparing generated animal faces. The left panel shows samples from StyleGAN 280A without the new mapper, which mostly consist of very similar-looking domestic cats. In contrast, the right panel presents a much broader variety of species, including tigers and lions, when the recursive token mapper is added. This simple change boosts the diversity recall score from 0.51 to 0.57. While Figure 1 highlighted those visual differences in diversity, Figure 2 situates this approach in the broader landscape of generative models. Figure 2 uses a Venn diagram to map 3 primary goals: high quality, mode coverage, and fast sampling. Under this framework, implicit maximum likelihood estimation provides fast sampling and high diversity, but lacks quality. By adding the recursive token mapper, the authors push their system directly into the central triple intersection, achieving all 3 goals simultaneously. Figure 3 details this architecture by comparing the baseline StyleGAN mapper on the left with the proposed recursive token mapper on the right. While the baseline uses a simple series of 8 fully connected layers, which are standard neural network components where every input connects to every output, the recursive token mapper introduces a nested loop design. This block recursively polishes style representations by looping through inner and outer cycles, which builds deep computational paths without adding extra parameters. While Figure 3 detailed the architecture, Table 1 reports quantitative results on the CIFAR 10 dataset, comparing different model families. At the bottom of Table 1, the proposed RTM model combined with RSIMLE achieves a precision of 0.896 and a recall of 0.773. These scores are the highest across all compared methods, which highlights how recursive latent refinement directly improves both sample fidelity and distribution diversity. While Table 1 showed results for implicit maximum likelihood estimation, Table 3 evaluates the recursive token mapper inside the StyleGAN 2 architecture. On the CIFAR 10 dataset, replacing the standard mapper lowers the Frechet inception distance from 3.88 to 3.55. On the high-resolution AFHQV1 dataset, the recursive mapper improves the recall score from 0.51 to 0.57, which shows that recursive refinement generalizes successfully. Well, Table 2 extends these findings to facial generation using the Celeb AHQ dataset. The entire table compares several model families across precision, recall, and Frechet inception distance. At the bottom, the combined recursive token mapper model achieves a precision of 0.952 and a recall of 0.592. This performance demonstrates that recursive latent refinement simultaneously boosts both image fidelity and distribution coverage on complex datasets. Recursive latent refinement proves that single-pass mapping is a bottleneck for both quality and diversity. By unlocking dynamic runtime adjustments, this design opens new doors for flexible, efficient generative models. That is all for now. Alex here from the AI Research Roundup. Catch you next time.